I'm Jason, and this is how to make a perfect margarita. Real quick, we have Peychaud's bitters, Jose Cuervo Blue Agave Tequila, Triplum Triple Sec. I have Boston Shaker, one's already filled with ice, and this is the larger one. You're gonna build your cocktail in that. Agave 5, it's a organic low glycemic sweetener and some lime juice. Rocks glass, it's just chilling with some ice water right now. A double-sided jigger, strainer, and a spoon. All right, so let's go. First, we're gonna do 1 ounce of the lime juice. Just enough. All right. Next, a few swigs of this. That's enough. All right. Next, we'll do the triple sec. 1 ounce. Okay. Now we flip our jigger measure over, and we want 1.5 ounces or 1 jigger of the tequila. All right. Gonna get a new bottle. I'm just gonna let that sit like that. I'm gonna do 3 tablespoons of the sweetener. 1, 2, 3. All right. And now I'm going to pour the ice in, seal it, and start shaking. Open this up.
Not even drinking yet, but
it's a tight seal. That's what she said. Oh, for the love of God. Oh!
Damn.
Nobody was hurt in the making of this video. And now the strainer. All right, let's give it a try. Cheers. That's very good.
How good is it?
Cut.
Cut.